Hey y'all, welcome to the Bit Branding channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to increase the average order value for your e-com shop, including one strategy that most businesses never take advantage of. So if you're like me, make sure to grab your notes and check out the rest of this video. So if you're like me, go grab your notes, get ready, stop, watch this video, get ready, grab your notes. Before I get it started, I wanted to tell everybody what's up. My name is Aaron. I'm one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding. We've been helping those frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And if you want to support our channel, I truly appreciate it. Just hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on notifications. All right, let's jump into it. All right, so number one is upsell. And this is the complimentary offer that already goes with your product. So think about whenever you're shopping on Amazon, if you see something and right before you're gonna check out, they always give you some kind of offer. One app that I would tell you to go check out is One Click Upsell. It's a Shopify app, and it is done by Ezra Firestone, so you will know exactly who I'm talking about once you click it here. It works for WooCommerce, it works for Shopify, but I would highly suggest to jump over to Shopify if you're not there. One cool thing about this upsell is that if you know something that pairs really well together, you can say, okay, if you add this to your cart, pop up this right at the checkout menu and say, pair this with something else. They automatically add it to their cart, increasing your average order value. All right, number two is to bundle products together.
Alrighty then, I have a package for you.
Actually, what we did for our camera setup here is we bought one part of the stand and it should have came together. So instead of just buying one piece, we should have got both of them. They would have had a higher order value. So if you're out there and you have products that can pair well together, like t-shirts and jeans, or if you have a dog collar and you need a dog, you should probably buy the dog first. I don't know, actually, can you buy a dog online? That seems unethical. Just make sure the product pairs well together and you can bundle the pieces. That would be, let's take a side step there. Actually, you can run with this or not run with this, but it would be a very cool product idea to buy a dog based off of the dog color and then you get both of them shipped to you. Would be pretty cool. I don't know if you should do that or not, but can you buy dogs offline? I feel like you can. All right, you guys, so stick around to the very end because I'm going to be showing you a widely ignored tool that will almost absolutely increase your average order value and give you the highest ROI in your business. All right, number three, add an app, something like Sumo. We use this app a ton. It's made a lot of money for our clients and it can make a ton of money for you. What's great about this app is that it's super diverse, but what I want to talk about today is the ability for you to increase average order value when somebody already has something in their cart. One cool thing about their system, their AI, their algorithm, whatever goes on in the back end for Sumo, if you add a certain amount to your cart, it will automatically pop up and say, you're $15 away from a bundle, or you're $15 away from a free gift, you're $15 away from free shipping, whatever that may be. And it only pops up when they've added a certain amount to their cart, which increases your average order value. You know it's a warm audience, and most importantly, it's gonna get them to take that next advantage. I know people who were only gonna go buy a pair of jeans, but ended up buying a second pair of jeans just so they could get a free necklace that they didn't even want, but they wanted the free necklace for whatever reason. So, huge advantage there. And just as a side note, kind of a bonus here is you want that number to pop up that I was talking about right there. You want that number to be about $5 short of the average order value. So if it's $50, make sure that it's 45 and have them bump up just a little bit because that means they're gonna buy a second product. And if they buy a second product, the average price for your store more than likely is gonna be a little bit higher. So you're gonna increase that average order value because they're so close to doing it and they're gonna bump it up anyway. All right, number four, by far, is going to be the best ROI you have in your business. It costs you almost nothing. It's not sexy, so many people don't do it. And thirdly, it's just something that it's hard to do. I say hard. It's super easy to do, but it's a mental toughness hard, right? So it's this tool that's everybody thinks is archaic and doesn't work, but it actually is going to provide the highest ROI in your business. And if you do it, are going to put you so much farther ahead of everybody else. And so this sexy term, or I like to call this sexy term, is email.
You've got mail.
Dude, this thing claims I have mail. It's amazing what we can do with computers these days.
Email marketing is where people go to make purchases. Think about anything that you have connected online, it's all done through email. So when you're selling a product, as soon as somebody purchases, I want an email sequence, 3 or 4 emails going out to that person. If they bought that toilet set If they bought those cushions, you want to send them 3 or 4 different colors of cushions to purchase. As a side note, I probably wouldn't sell something that's brown or yellow, but that doesn't matter, you do you. My point is that those 3 or 4 emails that go out are gonna have the highest ROI for your business. It's gonna create LTV or lifetime value for your customers and for your business. And as you continue to grow that, you can become more profitable. And that's actually a good segue to talk about Facebook ad success, which we'll talk about in another video. So make sure that you guys stick around, subscribe to the channel for that. But as you continue to go through email, what I would tell you is if you just set up those 3 or 4 emails, they're gonna be the highest ROI in your business and a huge part of your business success. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I wanna hear from you. Hello, 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 hi.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Leave a comment below. What is your current average order value? And if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. That way YouTube knows to share this with tons of people. All right, you guys, I'll see you next week.